Good morning, student. Today I bring a new lesson from public policy. From the public policy, there is an important component which title as rule of law. And it is one of the key element of the public policy. Now, we should know first what is rule of law. Law is a supreme guiding force in a civilized society. Law ensures everyone is equal before the law and there is no discriminations on the basis of physical or any other special characteristics present in human society. Without the rule of law, neither efficiency nor social justice is attainable. And the social justice is defined as ex post equality. And efficiency defined as ex ante equality. So, social justice and efficiency somehow inconsistent to each other. But they will be consistent only when we assume that social justice is ex ante equality, but not ex post equality. If there is no rule of law, there is no point of our studying the choice between markets and the public finance, as well as public policy of the government. Market cannot be exist without rule of law not certified or guaranteed. In the absence of rule of law, government become a legal monopoly. Government can use their monopoly on legal coercion in intrusive and harmful ways. So, rule of law is essential in welfare state and in democracy. We can say this is the life and blood of democratic ideals and philosophy. Human society today is civilized. Peace, security is ensured. Life of the people and their possession is protected and secured because rule of law enforced and enacted. Without the rule of law, human society is become a lawless, savage, and barbaric. So, rule of law protects us many ways. It provides the incentives to the law-abiding people. It protects the debtor and creditors from the banking systems, their interest, their incentives are protected and guaranteed. Rule of law is treated everyone equally, irrespective of their social status and wealth. Rule of law is inconsistent with the laws that are not in operation and enforcements. Without the rule of law, arbitrary and whimsical men and women who control the government can subvert the law so that law becomes the instrument of appropriation and repressions. We rely on government to implement the rule of law. However, the rule of law also protects us from the government. Private property rights and market functioning also controlled, protected and certified by the rule of law. When human civilizations was not so organized, nomadic hunters and gatherers roaming from one place to another place, where their land and game are plentiful, does not require private property rights. But the private property right is valuable where there is competition of land and natural resources. Private property rights provide the incentives to the plant, the crops and build house. Rule of law satisfied all these possession and properties. And there is no encroachment and infringement of the rights of one by another's. Because of rule of law, different markets exist in the society. Labor markets, capital markets, goods market, foreign exchange market, etc. And rule of law ensures the trading and transfer of goods from one person to another, transfer of incentive from one person to another without any fear, without any confusion, without any coercion. And it's totally based on mutual trust, cooperation, coordinations. Existence of the rule of law broadened the market structure and dimension, and market become local to become international. Rule of law also allows to ensure social justice and efficiency in the society. Incentive and efficiency, social justice is broadening the composition of human society It qualified the civilized civil living and it also guaranteed